Diabetes mellitus is a disease that affects millions of people, and today we will find out who is at risk. We will also discuss how to detect the disease at an early stage and, most importantly, which foods increase blood sugar levels. We will thoroughly explore ways to reduce it without medication. So, watch the video till the end. There will be a lot of useful information. By the way, friends, if you are into a healthy lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe to this channel all about health and hit the notification bell so you won't miss new helpful and interesting episodes. And now, let's get started. A high level of sugar in the blood is very dangerous, not only for those with diabetes, but for anyone. That's why it is vital for each of us to control our sugar levels. Even in healthy individuals without diabetes, elevated sugar can lead to metabolic disorders, hypertension, and increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Let's now explore who is at risk of developing diabetes. Stressful situations and neuroses, poor and irregular nutrition, incorrect diets with a predominance of fatty, fried, sweet, starchy, and fast food, poor ecology, and a sedentary lifestyle, hypodynamia, all contribute to the accumulation of fat deposits. Over time, these deposits turn into adipose tissue, which gradually loses sensitivity to insulin, leading to the development of diabetes. People who are prone to obesity are most susceptible to this condition. In addition, we should not forget about genetic predisposition. To detect the disease at an early stage or prevent its development, regular checkups are necessary. To do this, it is essential to assess whether you are at risk, and if you experience any symptoms, it's better not to delay and undergo the necessary tests. To prevent prediabetes, following some simple rules can be helpful. Getting sufficient rest, sleep, and engaging in moderate physical activity. It is also crucial to monitor your diet. What should you avoid to lower your sugar levels? First and foremost, you should eliminate sugar itself and products that contain a high amount of it. Nutrition is a crucial aspect of reducing blood glucose levels. If you belong to a group of people with diabetes, prediabetes, have blood relatives with diabetes, or are a proponent of a healthy lifestyle, it is best to adhere to the consumption of foods low in sugar and refined carbohydrates. Carbohydrates or foods with a high glycemic index can lead to a rapid spike in blood glucose levels. Now, let's discuss the foods that primarily raise blood sugar levels. These include sweets, honey pastries, made from puff pastry and refined white flour. It is best to find a healthier alternative to these items. Sugar should be eliminated from the diet, as well as bread made from white flour and salty pickled vegetables and potatoes. All store-bought sauces with high sugar content, preservatives, fat, pepper, and salt should also be avoided. Sweet fruits and berries, as well as freshly squeezed juices, have made it to this list. Whole and low-fat milk should also be excluded. Canned foods should also be consumed with caution. One should pay attention to fast food products, fatty cuts of meat, fish, bacon, and smoked products, as they can also raise blood sugar levels. Products containing trans fats are particularly dangerous. Such products include margarine, spreads, fast food, cookies, cakes, chips, mayonnaise, and processed foods. There are several fruits capable of causing a sharp spike in blood glucose levels. These fruits include watermelons, melons, dates, persimmons, figs, sweet varieties of apples, peaches, and pears. Sweet fruit juices and sodas are also very harmful to people with diabetes. Now let's move on to the foods that lower blood sugar levels, and at the top of the list are pumpkins and pumpkin seeds. Pumpkins are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help normalize blood sugar levels. In Mexico and Iran, pumpkin is prescribed as a remedy for people with diabetes because the polysaccharides it contains can lower blood glucose levels. An experiment was conducted in 2018 among 80 participants. Half of them consumed 65 grams of pumpkin seeds daily, while the other 40 people did not. After the experiment, the analysis showed that the participants who consumed pumpkin seeds had blood sugar levels 30 lower than those who did not eat this product. Nuts also hold a special place on this list. Canadian scientists discovered that nuts are indispensable for diabetics. This product contains everything necessary to normalize blood glucose levels and even reduce the risk of exacerbating diabetes. An experiment was conducted where 25 people with type 2 diabetes ate almonds and peanuts. After the experiment, the blood sugar levels of all participants significantly decreased. This was evident in both fasting and post-meal tests. Daily consumption of 55 grams of nuts can significantly reduce blood sugar levels. Now let's talk about the healthiest nuts. Walnuts are considered the healthiest nuts. They are rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, and amino acids. Walnuts can be consumed during a diet, and the shells and partitions can be used to prepare folk remedies for the treatment of diabetes. In addition to pumpkin and walnuts, there are several other products that help reduce blood sugar levels. For example, coriander, cilantro. Studies have shown that consuming coriander can lower blood glucose levels and improve pancreatic function. Another beneficial product for people with diabetes is ginger root. It helps improve cell sensitivity to insulin, which contributes to reducing blood sugar levels. In addition to the above, low-carb vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, cucumbers, tomatoes, and eggplants are also recommended for inclusion in the diet for diabetes. As a rule, a diabetes-friendly diet should be balanced and include a variety of foods. It is recommended to consume more fresh vegetables and greens, lean sources of protein, such as fish, chicken breast, and tofu, as well as healthy fats from nuts, avocados, and fish oil. Another tip is that regular physical exercises help improve insulin sensitivity, control blood sugar levels, and enhance overall health. In addition to proper nutrition and physical activity, it is essential to monitor blood sugar levels through regular checkups with a doctor and, if necessary, take prescribed medications to control diabetes. Not less useful is sweet almond. It contains valuable micronutrients and antioxidants. Those suffering from diabetes can include raw almonds in their diet or prepare almond milk from them. Pistachios also fit well into this list of beneficial nuts. Their low-calorie content allows consuming them without concerns for one's health, but it is advisable not to eat more than 40 pieces a day. Next on the list are oats and oat bran. Oats contain a large number of vitamins, amino acids, micro, and macro elements. Its main advantage is the presence of a natural insulin analog called inulin. It has a very low glycemic index. Moreover, it has diuretic and pathogenic effects, normalizes the nervous system function, positively influences the gastrointestinal tract, and has a general strengthening effect on the entire body. There are practically no contraindications for consuming this product, except that it should be eaten with caution by people with gallbladder disease and kidney insufficiency. Beans and lentils, when regularly included in one's diet, help lower blood sugar due to the presence of fiber, protein, and magnesium. Thanks to the soluble dietary fibers and resistant starches contained in legumes, the body better absorbs sugar from food, making them excellent for diabetes prevention. As for sauerkraut, it provides the body with probiotics, minerals, and antioxidants. After its consumption, the blood sugar level significantly decreases. Cinnamon also made it into this list for good reason. Cinnamon is a spice that reduces blood sugar levels by 30%. It contains a unique substance that has a pronounced anti-inflammatory effect. Thanks to this component, carbohydrate metabolism normalizes and blood sugar levels approach healthy levels. However, cinnamon has contraindications for use. It should be noted that it raises blood pressure in cases of hypertension, and it is also not recommended to take it with liver diseases. Excessive amounts of coumarin, which is found in the spice, have a negative effect on the functioning of this organ. So, this is our extensive list of beneficial foods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave comments, share your experience and opinions. Pay attention to what you eat, and your body will say thank you. Stay healthy and have a great mood. See you very soon.